And we're getting close. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do some more, but I think we've answered over like 20. I think we're on 21 right now because we get to at the end of the list, and I did have some extra, but I don't want to make this too long. But here is the next swimwear problem. How can I look put together? This is red, kind of weird. How can I look put together for both swimming and lounging? Oh girl, you came to the right place. Add-ons are very fun to do, whether it's add-ons like this. See the girl in the lime green, she has her version. The girl in the pink, she has hers. And then the one in the purple. See, all these women have different versions, or you can add accessories, you can add sun hats, you can add jewelry, you can just add a simple wrap. There are so many ways that you can get a very big scarf and turn it into a wrap. There's just so many different bags. It is summertime, so turning a beach bag into your bag is another thing. There's just so many different ways. Stacking bracelets. I am one of those girls that love accessories, so I can kind of go over the top, but there's just so many ways that you can add on, turn things into, like I said, a scarf, into so many things as a wrap. If the place gets cold because you're lounging, you could turn that that scarf into a shawl type of thing. There's just so many different ways. I would ask you personally, what is too much and what is something that you don't normally like to wear, because I don't want to push things onto you, but I definitely just provided you a whole host of things of, swimming with your swimwear, and then from there kind of let your bathing suit, your swimwear dry off a little bit, and then I would suggest like adding on the covers and stuff like that, because you don't want to be walking around, especially if it's going to be like a cold place, because you're going to be feeling a draft.